Hi guys, Hunter UK here. So today I'm bringing you a brand new rifle that I've been out hunting with over the past few days, and I must say it's absolutely fantastic. It is the Epic 2 in 177. But first and foremost, I must thank Vector Air for loaning me this rifle, because the video wouldn't be possible without them. So Vector Air, thank you very much. I'll run through some specs with you, because I'll get to the video and somebody will put in the comments, you didn't tell me what you're using and all the bits and bats, and you know, there's always someone in there. So it's not a review, guys. I'll just run through the specs, then you know exactly what I'm using. It's an Epic 2 air rifle in 177. It has a 300mm unchoked barrel, so you can put slugs through this. Silencer on top. It's the cylinder, so you probably get around about 50-55 good shots out of this for hunting anyway. Arca Swiss underneath. Picatinny on top. You also have a red pressure gauge underneath. You can see that just there. And then a fully adjustable two-stage trigger. We've got a fully adjustable stock, so this can move, the cheek riser can move up and down, forward and backwards, with tightening bolts too. And then the rear butt stock can be up, down, in and out. And there's two features I really like about this gun for shooting, and one is the fill probe. So basically, open and shut before you put your fill probe in. Now me, I'm always worried I'm going to lose the plug, the dust plug, so that's like a nice little feature for me. And then the other feature is the foldable stock. I mean, look at that. Like, you take the silencer off and that, you could literally put that into a rucksack, no problem at all. And even still today, on permissions, it can be a bit of a taboo situation where you're walking across your permission from one point to another. You say you've got a few shooting areas and people look at you weird with a rifle in your hand, so it's nice to not have a rifle bag or just put it into a rucksack. And this does not move, not in the slightest. It's just quality, like literally. And I'm going to go out on a limb, it's not a sales pitch. I'll probably say, just to hold and mess with, it's probably one of the best built rifles I've had my hands on to date. So I do really like that. You've got a 300 bar fill at the front. I'm not sure. I mean, this, you can add stuff. You can add stuff to this. You can move the cocking lever from left to right, so it's fully ambidextrous. Safety just above, so you can use your thumb or your finger depending on what hand you are. I've got my Zulus mounted on top. I think it weighs 3.7 kilos, but it does feel lighter, actually, surprisingly. It looks like it'd be a heavier thing, but it's not. It's actually a lot lighter, and its shoulder's nice. And it's a 13-shot magazine in 177. It is available in, obviously, in other calibers and FAC. I think I mentioned this, yeah, I didn't. If I didn't, so this is to adjust the reg, but you can't mess with this, guys, because it's got an anti-tamper. Only in the FAC can you mess with the reg. This has got some sort of anti-tamper on for the sub 12, so for obvious reasons. But what a beautiful rifle! Absolutely love it. Only bad thing I'd say about this rifle is I've got to give it back. I can't keep it. Anyway, it's a hunting video, not a review, so I hope you enjoy the shooting, guys. Take care.
Oh, shot. Shot. Oh, Jesus.
Okay guys, just to clarify, when I put the scope on the Zulus on the gun, I didn't have a chance to set up the ballistic calculator, nor did the laser rangefinder, so unfortunately I couldn't put the yardage on, but all shots taken in this video were between roughly 20 yards and 50 yards.